everyone, Mitzrael here. Good morning. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. You will be notified always on my latest video. Today's episode, I already get all my Christmas decorations, all knowing that Christmas is approaching 1 month prior to December. We need to be ready, all of our Christmas decorations. I'm gonna store you what lies ahead on the surface. This is all my Christmas decorations. I kept this in years and years and years. This is always I am using every year. Some of them I need to upgrade it. Woo! For the meantime, I will not gonna decorate this for a while. I need to inspect it if there is some insect bite or there is some crumpled or there is some damage. I kept this in a plastic bag. When I found out earlier, there's a lot of the sides, especially some of the parts of my Christmas decorations made of paper, and like this one made of what kind of plastic is that? It's already been torn and crumpled. We need to set this for a while in a surface like this to lying down in order to remove all the crumpled and inspect some of other what we can do. We have here the stars. This one also, I don't know how to call it this, I forgot it. This Christmas light has already been in a decade. Until now I'm still using it. As long that you make your spirit of Christmas presentable and creative, that is already good to go. No need to buy the new one in order to upgrade your Christmas decorations. If you are creative enough, you can have also additional things to make it look brighter, as long that you have the spirit of Christmas. That is all my beautiful Christmas decorations. I already used that in years. Before, every December, I decorate that here in my room. We have now a different settings. We have a different plans. For me, I'm thinking that I'm gonna decorate that downstairs to look presentable. Everybody will gonna see it, that you have the spirit of Christmas. Every year, no need to buy the new one. If you know how to upgrade, you know to become creative. It is really beautiful to see than buying a new one. Less effort, less money. You can save it if you are idealistic and creative of making in those stuffs. Just a little bit of trivia. When we say Christmas, way back then when I was a kid, I am so very excited. The same thing also when the children exciting about Christmas. They're thinking about Santa Claus, presents. You cannot get away with a Christmas party. Any kinds of events this December. This is the month that is really exciting. A lot of people are really happy when celebrating Christmas and New Year. And during New Year also, I am so very excited. You know what? It will not be completed without the firecrackers. But as a getting aging, when you say Christmas, it's just like an ordinary day for you. Alright? Well, I think I'll just take it from here. If you really like this episode, just like and share this with your friends. If you have any questions, suggestions, or even recommendations, feel free to comment down on the section below. See you again next video. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day to you guys. Advance Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.